Let's cover one of the most fundamental concept in system design, that is scalability. Scalability is the ability of a system to handle increasing load by adding resources while continuing to provide acceptable performance. Generally, in a system design interviews, we usually think about scalability when the number of users or a request or data or traffic starts increasing. For example, imagine our application initially as one server handling all the requests. As the number of users grow from 10,000 to 1 lakh, a single server may become overloaded. Responses will take a lot of time and requests may start failing, and eventually the systems can be unstable and it will not be unavailable for the users. So what we do, a scalable system is designed such a way that we can grow the system as the workload grows instead of redesigning everything from scratch. So to achieve that, there are two types of fundamental to scaling. One is vertical scaling or scale up. Here we increase the capacity of the existing machine, for example, adding more CPU, RAM or storage to the server. It is simple to implement, but there is a physical limit to how much one machine can upgrade it. It also become expensive as the server remains a single point of failure. And the second approach we have is horizontal scaling or scale out. Instead of making one server bigger, we add more servers and distribute the workload among them. For example, instead of one server handling 1 lakh requests, we have multiple servers handling those requests together, typically with the load balancer distributing the traffic. Horizontal scaling is generally more important approach when designing large scale system because we can continue adding machines as demand increases. The key idea to remember here is more load, more resources, maintain performance. Generally, in the system design interview, when someone asks you, how will you handle 10 times more users? Scalability is the concept we are addressing here. So, we should think about what is growing, where is the bottleneck is, and how can we add the resources to remove those bottlenecks using the scalability. So, basically the fundamental definition of this scalability is the ability of a system to handle increasing workload by adding resources while maintaining acceptable performance. Thank you.